Woo! This is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. This is our morning update, guys. Wow, it's fantastic. Exactly as I predicted, exactly as I told you it was going to happen. The crypto markets have broken out. Everything's on fire. Everything's going uppity up. Everything's going to the moon, guys. We've got a whole bunch of stuff to talk about. We had, the Jackson Hole meeting. We had all that positive news from the Fed. That sent all the markets up, sent the broader markets up. We're seeing that Doge is going up. Bitcoin is about to hit 50K. Wow, this is the pump it up weekend that we've been looking for. So remember, none of this is financial advice. This is just an OG in the house expressing my opinion. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only, and this is absolutely not financial advice. Do your own risk management, guys. Wow, it's a great time to be alive. Exactly as I told you that the markets are going up. Let's take a look at the markets now, then we're going to jump into the news. First of all, let's take a look at Bitcoin right now. And exactly as I told you, we've been seeing this pattern printing time and time again, where from Monday to Fridays the market's dump, Monday to Fridays the market's dump, and then we see some serious pumpage happening on the weekends. And exactly as predicted, this is happening. It's happening. It's a great time to be alive, guys. And right now we can see that the Bitcoin is at $49,435. I think that we have a good chance to actually break up and possibly hit $50,000 this weekend. And if that happens, it's going to take all the old coins up with it. It's going to take Ethereum up with it, and we're going to see the Doge pump even faster and even harder. I think we could be seeing 32 cents coming in for Doge. So guys, watch this video to the end. Don't miss a trick. Don't miss a tip. So let's take a look at some news right now. So, as you guys know, that we had the boost from Powell's dovish Jackson Hole remarks, and he was really kind of saying that Bitcoin prices and broader complex of virtual currencies were on the rise, and U.S. dollar was lower Friday when he had this speech. So really, he was saying that the Fed's really not going to interfere with the economy. They're going to kind of let it alone, and there was some kind of tapering that was going on back and forth with regards to they're going to be buying back some more bonds and try to stimulate the economy. So, they did admit that the inflation rate is not as bad as people expected, and they are expecting some kind of full recovery coming very soon. And so this is really, you saw all the broader markets were up across all the board yesterday. So we saw the equity markets rally. S&P was up, the composite was up, Dow Jones was up. So this is one of the things that really drove prices up. Dogecoin was up at 2.3%. It's much higher now. We're going to drive into that. So overall, we've seen all the crypto markets up 3% over the last 24 hours. So you can see this announcement from the Fed was really positive, and it drove up the broader markets, which also took up the crypto markets, because people have been waiting on the sidelines because they're waiting for this whole Jackson Hole remarks to come out, and also they've been waiting for the options that expired. So we saw that the options did expire, so we're going to be seeing a lot of people are going to be trying to recover their losses, so they're going to be chasing gains by putting more leverage positions in. So that's going to drive up the price. So some other news for Bitcoin right now is that Honduras got its first ATM, so that's really good. The Bitcoineria, my Spanish now, so a good machine, allows crypto enthusiasts to purchase BTC ETH using local fiat currency, provided they are willing to scan their IDs and disclose certain personal information. So this is really good because if people can start, particularly people in developing countries or Latin American companies that are kind of bankless, this is really going to help them to be able to control their digital financial future, and it means that each individual can become their own private bank, so that's going to be really good. And they also help that if you're living in Honduras and you have family in the States, it's going to be easier for them to remit money back and forth. So this is really bullish news, guys. So hopefully this is just a great time to be alive. You can just feel the positive vibe that this weekend is bringing. Woo! This is the OG in the house. So let's take a look at the rainbow chart. Let me just give this a minty refresh to make sure that we got all the upside details for you. We're still in lockdown in Vietnam. I tell you, the thing I miss the most about lockdown is my barber. Normally I do a haircut every 2 weeks, but it's been like 30, 40 days. I feel like a caveman. So right now the rainbow chart still saying that we should hodl. So that's what you should do. Follow the rainbow chart, follow the whales, never swim against the whales, and now's a good time to hodl. And if there's any dips, buy the dips, guys, because soon, once Bitcoin gets past 50K, you're going to see 55K coming in. You're going to see 60K coming in. And we're going to the moon, guys. This is a moon shot for all the cryptos and all the altcoins, and Doge is definitely on fire right now. So let's take a look at that. So if we look at the fear and greed index right now, fear and greed index, I'll get a word out. So the fear and greed index is absolutely on fire right now. It's amazing. It's now at 78, and It's crazy. Yesterday it was at 75. Now we're going up to 78. Let me just give this another refresh because I'm getting some. It's at 78. So extreme greed right now. Extreme greed. So that means that the markets are on fire, and we could see that all the cryptos are absolutely going to explode very soon. And what you want to be doing is we're still not at the top. We're going to be getting to the top, and we're going to be seeing extreme greed coming in, guys. So all I can say is you guys have to have diamond hands, hollow, don't panic. Things are definitely going up. And remember, anytime you see a good 5% dip on Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of the other altcoins, and particularly even Dogecoin, buy the dips, dollar cost average, because we're definitely going to the moon, guys. I feel it, you feel it. So let's take a look at Ethereum right now. Ethereum is also on fire right now. It's printing a very similar pattern to what Bitcoin is doing. So right now you can see that, get out of there, get all the ads. So I hate that. So we can see right now that Ethereum right now is trading at $3,252. So that's really good, guys. So that's really bullish news, and that's an increase of almost 6%. So today our high for Ethereum was 3,316, and our low was 3,046. So if you bought at the bottom of this candle to where you are now, you'd be up almost 6%. So hopefully you can see that we've gone past this resistance level at 32,081. So that's going to become green right now, and then right now our next resistance level is at 3,281, and this is our 3,060 level. So we passed that. So hopefully we can break up, and we can get past that level right now. It's still showing as resistance, but we're going to get past that. So this is absolutely a huge green weekend. We got a little bit of a red candle just printing right now, so I wouldn't really panic about that. It's nothing really to worry about. I think that by middle of next week we could be seeing that prices could go above 3,400. Now you guys just need to be careful and cautious that there's some rumor on the street that Thursday could be a big red day. I don't know why, but I'm hearing that something's going to happen on Thursday, and the markets could have a big correction, maybe a 5 to 10% correction on Thursday. So I'll keep you guys updated. You're gonna have to watch all the videos. I'll keep you updated. So don't forget to smash the likes and subscribes, guys. And let's take a look at the burn right now. So if we look at the Ethereum burn right now, we have burned $116,000 worth, 116,000 Ethereum right now. So that's a huge amount of money. And this is something that's really this pattern has just printed right now. So the current ETH emissions, we have moved from red, so we're going yellow now. So that means that the amount of electricity and stuff that's being used to mine Ethereum is going down. So this just goes to prove that Ethereum is becoming more deflationary as time goes on. So this is great news, guys. Some other news right now. Let's take a look at Cardano. Cardano is it tried to break past $3 today, but it didn't quite get past $3. It got rejected. So let's just print a line there at $3 so you guys can see that. So there's this $3 line here. We almost blew past it, but we got rejected. So hopefully we can get past $3 either today. Right now it's a Saturday morning here in Asia, and it's Friday evening. So I'm expecting that we have a huge pump up weekend for you guys in America. So hopefully by tomorrow morning when we wake up, we can see ADA blasting past $3. And remember, we got the Cardano smart contracts coming online soon. So I was a little bit disappointed by Charles signing up with this Confirm, which is a blockchain analytic company that basically flags any kind of strange or behavioral patterns in terms of ADA trading, and that's to circumvent money laundering and stuff like that. So I wasn't happy about that, but let's see. Maybe it was fake news. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Let's see how that materializes, guys. So you can see also some other big news for Ethereum is that there was a huge outflow yesterday of 60K worth of Ethereum that went off the exchanges. So 60K of ETH exits exchanges, and this is really bullish. So what's happening is, when people push their Ethereum on exchanges, it means that they're planning to sell. But when they're taking it off, it means that they're planning to have diamond hands or hodl and wait for increased prices to go up. So this is really bullish news. And you can see here that from Crypto Quant yesterday, let me get my face out of the way, that we can see that yesterday there's a huge spike. 60K of Ethereum was taken off the exchanges and moved to hardware wallets, and so that's really bullish news, because it means that, you know, as we have less Ethereum on the exchanges, that means we have supply and demand, and that just means that Ethereum is definitely going to go to the moon, guys. So, woo, let's get it, guys. So let's take a look at Solana right now. Solana is on fire right now, guys. Solana is absolutely on fire. Solana is going to the moon, and it's at $87.18. So we have our next overhead resistance at $1.08, 108 cents. Hello, get your words right. So I think that our next destination, our next target, we should be reaching for is about $100, guys. So you guys should be pretty excited about that. And you know, and you can see right here that Solana hits a record high, and one of the reasons for that, it's up over 218% in 6 weeks. And if we look at the total increase, it's up almost 4,300% in 2021. And then one of the reasons that Solana printed this high was because on August 27, as traders assessed the floor optimism and fundamentals, including Solana potential foray into Wall Street. So on August 24th, digital asset management firm Osprey Funds registered a first of its kind Solana fund with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. In doing so, the New York firm hinted at giving institutional exposure to Solana. So this is huge news. So if you're a Solana holder, and now that we've got a fund based on Solana, and that will give institutional investors easy access to jump into Solana, that is going to send the price skyrocketing. You know, I see that we could be seeing a $500 price tag for Solana by the end of the year. So, you know, I've been in Solana since the early days. I bought Solana when it was like at, you know, $18. So I'm super psyched. I'm super pumped. And if you're watching my video the other day, and I told everyone buy the dips, get into Solana right now. This is not financial advice. That was 2 days ago, and Solana went down to $65. You'd be making bankity bang. So congratulations for all those that followed the OG's advice. I called it. You saw it. We're doing it. This is a pump it up weekend, and the cryptos are on fire, just as I predicted, guys. I nailed it 100%. So all the haters out there, all the doubters out there, you know, and some people have been making comments, oh, the OG is working for the Dogecoin corporation. Well, there's no corporation. It's decentralized, guys. I don't work for Doge. I just love the Doge. I love the community. Remember, Dogecoin is not a cryptocurrency. It's a community. It's a community of love. And this is about spreading love. And remember, Dogecoin is a perfect cryptocurrency because it's not expensive. It's everywhere, and it's a good catalyst for people to get into the whole crypto space, guys. So, you know, that's why, you know, Doge is on the rise. Doge is being adopted, and you know what was printed as a joke coin is becoming the main coin, and this is one of the top cryptocurrencies in the whole world, guys. And we've been there for a long time. So this is not a joke coin. This is not based on hype. This is pure Doge, guys. And the tokenomics and fundamentals are huge, guys. So some other news that's coming in right now is we can see that this is Dogecoin inspired Doge Cola beverage startup. This has nothing to do with Doge, and this is kind of a Coca-Cola, and every time you buy it, you know, some of the tokens get burned and this and that. So it's kind of a fun thing, and so it's basically, it's Doge Cola is a new meme coin, guys. I'm not chilling for it, guys. I just thought it was a fun fact that you know, people try anything to make something happen. So I don't know. I've not tried the Doge Cola. Maybe it's good. Maybe it's not bad. So yeah, interesting, right? The Doge right now on the 1 day chart, guys. So my Doge in the house. So right now, Doge is on fire. It's at 29.4, guys, and you know, we're just below our 30-cent resistance. So where do I see Doge going this weekend? I see Doge climbing up as high as 32 cents. I think we can get back to 32 cents, 33 cents incoming this weekend. Absolutely, it's going to happen. I predicted it. I called it, and we're still going to the moon. So if we look at the Doge on the 4-hour chart, guys, we can see that we have a huge breakout right now, guys. You can see it right now that we printed this yesterday. We printed this green buy indicator here, and we have this green support line that's formed here. This is done automatically by the system, just in case you guys are wondering. And I said that we need to get above 30 cents. If we can get above 30 cents, then we're going to be breaking up to the upside. And we're doing that exactly as predicted. And if we see today, if we take a look at the upside of this green trend here, if we start from the bottom of the base here and go all the way up, we've printed almost a 12% increase, guys. So we've gone up 12% from our low of a day and a half ago. So Doge is on the rise. Doge is coming back. Nothing to worry about. Nothing to panic, guys. I predicted it. I told you that, Doge, I was expecting that we could go as low as 22 cents. Luckily, we didn't. We went as low as around about, if we look at the low here, we printed a low around about 26 cents, guys. So it wasn't as bad as we had expected. We were expecting that the options expiration, we were expecting 44,000 max pain for BTC. We didn't quite get there. We're expecting a max pain of 2,800. We went as low as 3,000 on Ethereum, and Dogecoin went as low as 26. So we didn't quite get pushed down as far as we wanted, not what we wanted, as far as we expected. So that's really good news. That's really bullish news. I was really expecting us to go lower and lower and lower and then bounce back. But now we only went down to 26. So this is really good news. So where do I see ourselves going? Definitely, I think that we are going to print 32 cents up in this area. We're definitely going to go up to 32 cents this weekend. So I call it. I told you it was going to happen. So woo! And to all the haters out there, that's all I got to say to you guys. So let's take a look at the markets right now. So the total market cap right now is on fire. It's at 2.15 trillion, so that's where we want to be. Hopefully we can see 2.50 trillion coming in soon, guys. That would be really great news. And our Bitcoin dominance is coming down. We're about to break down below 43%. That's really good because we're going to see a lot more of the money moving out of Bitcoin and move into Ethereum. So that's really bullish news. So let's look at the prices now. Let me give this a quick refresh. Make sure that we got all the minty fresh rates for you. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is up 3.42%, and that's $49,000, guys. We're also seeing that Ethereum right now is at $3,257. That's up 4%. We're seeing ADA is up almost 10%, so at $2.86, and BNB is at $489. That's up almost 1%. And my Doge in the house is up 80%, guys. You guys gotta love it. This is a great time to be alive. So hopefully we'll be able to break past 30 cents today. I think we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Let's take a look at the OG portfolio in the house. Let me give this a quick refreshy. And remember, this portfolio is for educational purposes only, and not to be, and if you decide to copy this or any parts are not responsible for every loss, remember, not financial advisors. So right now you can see that our portfolio is up 50%. Where else can you get 50% return since July 2nd? So we're up 50%, and that's a profit of $2,525, and our total portfolio value is $7,524. So hopefully we can get ourselves up to 8,000 soon. I think if we keep getting Bitcoin going and running up to 50,000, Ethereum should be going up to 3,400 soon, and we should see Dogecoin definitely be going to 32 cents, 33 cents this weekend. So I called it. Where do I see Dogecoin going by? I think the high that we're going to make by next weekend will be 34 cents max, because I have a feeling that on Thursday something bad's going to happen. We could see things going down. So guys, don't forget to dollar cost average, buy the dip. And if you're watching this, please support the channel with a super chat. Smash the likes, guys. So with that being said, guys, please do me a favor. Go to my Twitter and follow me. We're going to have the One Ethereum announcement on Twitter. So if you want to get the announcement, you need to follow me. All right, guys? So guys, don't forget to follow my links. Remember, none of this is financial advice. It's only educational purposes. And remember, there are many options available for you when investing in crypto. We are not financial advisors. Guys, do me a favor. Go to Zen Music Ad. Follow the links right now. You're going to want it. If you guys need to relax and chill out, go to Zen Music Addict. We got some really cool, smooth, find your soul, find yourself. And if you're having trouble sleeping, watch this song, and don't forget to follow that. And guys, become a Patreon member. Buy the channel a coffee. And guys, check out our merch. We got tons of merch, guys. We got hats, we got t-shirts, we got bags, we got hoodies. Men, we got stuff for women, we got stuff for men. We even got baby clothes, guys. And also stuff. We've got some non clothing items. We've got hats, we've got face mask coverings, we've got the mug to mug. Who wouldn't want the mug to mug? So guys, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signal saying I love you guys to death, and be blessed, be well, spread a little love, and woo, spread the good vibe. This is the OG in the house sending a good vibe message across YouTube. Remember one more thing, smash the likes, subscribe, do it right now. What are you waiting for? You know you want it. Do it now. Woo!